Hi boys and girls, welcome to another episode of Learn a Skill with me, where each week you get the opportunity to learn a new skill with me. I am your host, Jerron Morris, and today I have a special surprise for you. I would like to welcome Miss Jaden Lewis to share the surprise with us.
Hi boys and girls, hi Jerron.
Hi.
My name is Jaden Lewis and today we'll be making some jewelry. We'll be making a pair of earrings and a simple bracelet.
So Jaden, what are the items we'll need to execute this type of activity?
Today we will need, for the earring, a wire cutter, a bird beak pliers, head pins or eye pins, earring hooks, and your beads of choice. For the simple bracelet, we would need a scissors, string, measuring tape, and your beads of choice.
This sounds like a lot of fun, Jaden. Let's get started.
So here we have our materials. We're going to first take our eye pin. Usually the eye pins come with a loop to the end of it, right? Take your eye pin, you take your beads of choice. Today we have a pearl and a flower. So we're going to first add the flower, because that's going to be at the bottom of our earring, like that. We add our pearl. Then you're going to take your wire cutter. You're going to cut it a little bit away from the end, around about there. Remember to ask mom or dad to help you with this step and be careful. Then we're going to take our bird beak pliers. We're going to curve inward, but not fully. You leave a little space. You're going to place your hoop, your earring hook, onto it, and then you're going to secure it. You can ask mom and dad to help you with this part, as it's a little bit tricky. And just like that, you have your first earring. Now to make the other side, you do the same steps. And there are your simple earrings. For the simple bracelets, we have our items here. I'm going to ask Jerron to help me a little bit with the measurements. So I'll ask him to bring his hand this way. We're going to measure his wrist exactly. And as you can see, it's about 7 inches. Then you're going to add the extra 4 inches to that for tying. So in total, you get 11 inches. And so we take our thread and we place it along like this, up to 11 inches, right? Then you take your scissors and you cut, and that's your thread you'll be using. Now you want to hold both sides. Remember to ask mom or dad for help with the scissors. You hold both sides, and then, well, firstly, before you start, you'd want to design your bracelet. So I'm going to do a pattern of purple and pearls. So I'll put one like that. You hold both sides of your string and you place your beads one by one. Now for this part, remember not to let go of the opposite side, else you'll have a little extra work to do. Usually you could find beads at your craft store or stationery store. You can choose whichever ones you prefer. Now I'm going to borrow Jerron's hat again. And I'm going to check and see if it's the fit I want. As you can see, I need a little bit more beads, so I'm going to keep adding. I'm going to check Jerron's hand again. And we are there. So you're going to place this aside, careful not to let the beads fall out. And I'm going to teach you how to tie your knot. So first you're going to tie like this. Then you're going to tie again. But this time, you're going to place your string under more than once, about 3 or 4 times. And then pull to close. And that's your knot. So now you're going to do the same with the elastic. Tie like that. 1, 2, 3. And you pull it tight. For extra security, it's optional, but you can add some glue. You can ask mom and dad for help with that part too. I'm going to tie it once more, just to be safe. And then we're going to cut off the excess, like that. And we have our bracelet.
Wow, this bracelet is so cool. I enjoyed creating this craft with you today.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
I really like it. I really, really like it. Jaden, so let's review the steps.
To make the simple earring, take your eye pin or head pin and place your beads of choice onto the wire. When you have placed 2 or 3 beads, make a loop to the top, but do not close it entirely. Place your earring hook into the loop and then close tightly to secure. For the simple bracelet, measure your wrist and add 4 inches to the measurement. Cut the thread. Plan the design you want with whichever color, style, and size beads you like. Hold both ends of the string and add 1 by 1 the beads of your choice. When you are about done, have your guardian help you place the bracelet onto your wrist to ensure it's the fit you want. When you have enough beads on the string, tie it.
So Jaden, tell us, what are some of the careers kids can get into utilizing the skills learned here today?
You can become a fashion designer where you make your own textiles or carnival costumes, a teacher of the craft where you share your skill with others, an entrepreneur where you can make your own jewelry and sell it, or a distributor of the materials.
Kids, there are many other careers you can get into utilizing the skills learned here today. Have mom or dad take a photo or video and send it to us via our social media platforms. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss another episode. I would like to thank Ms. Jaden for sharing this special surprise with us today.
Thank you for having me. It was a pleasure showcasing my skill.
Until next time on Learn a Skill with me, bye!
Bye!